Hi, I'm Amanda McDonald, and I'm standing here with Louise Funke, the VP of TransLattice. How are you doing today?
Fine, thanks.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit more about the company and what you're doing?
Absolutely. Well, our founders were really concerned about three main concerns that the enterprises were dealing with. The first being that the typical enterprise that's doing transactional applications, the complexity is just growing tremendously for deploying applications. In fact, to deploy an application today can take tens of thousands of decisions. So the more complex it is, the more likely it is to fail. So that was the first thing we were concerned about. The second one was they really wanted to have a better way to scale, much like the internet companies have been doing, that horizontal scalability, but apply that to the enterprise. And the third one is they wanted to make sure we could help enterprises take advantage of the cloud, but not have it be exclusively cloud, because we believe most enterprises are probably going to want some form of hybrid environment.
Okay. And then how does TransLattice fit into the cloud space?
Well, what we do is we offer a whole new way to deploy applications, and that can be on the cloud or in the cloud, as well as on-premise. So we allow you to mix and match. And the real secret sauce here is our geographically distributed relational database. That's a problem that people have been working on for, 20, 25 years. And what we do is we distribute the data across your cluster, wherever you need it in the world. And by doing that, we accomplish a couple things. The first is that when the data is distributed, that means that if one node goes down, let's say there's an earthquake or a power outage, something like that, the rest of the system stays up. So that's really key. Another one is that it makes it very easy to scale. That the ability, that horizontal scalability I mentioned, it's very easy because now you can just add new nodes very easily. You just add a cloud instance, you add an appliance. You don't have to rescale and rejigger and rebalance your whole data center. And the third is it's a whole lot easier to manage because it's simple to deploy and you can actually stand up a database in less than an hour, which is really a huge difference from most databases today.
Right.
And I should also mention that it's about half the cost of traditional environments.
That's wonderful. Now, is there any announcements that you'd like to make today?
Absolutely. We're announcing the TransLattice Automation Kit. This is a tool for IT administrators who are using the TransLattice platform. And while we have this beautiful, really intuitive GUI that makes it very easy to set up a cluster today, if you've gotten to a point where you're now setting up lots of clusters, maybe you're in testing and you've got to duplicate big clusters, you might want a way that's a little more efficient. So what this tool allows you to do is to script it and do a whole lot of setup all at once. You can set up nodes, you can set up databases, you can set the data policies much more easily.
All right, well, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.